BlockchainFX is live with real revenue, 10,000 users, fully audited and secure. This isn't just hype, it's a platform with real utility and a strong community momentum. Everything shared on this video is for educational purposes only. BlockchainFX is the first crypto trading super app. It's the first crypto exchange that is bridging blockchain and the financial markets. You can trade Bitcoin, Ethereum, Solana, any cryptocurrencies, and also commodities, stocks, and even the forex market, gold, Tesla, GBP, USD, and so on. It has been awarded as the best new crypto trading app of 2025. And it's not just hype, it already has live 10,000 users and not just a white paper. Now, BlockchainFX has already been verified by industry experts. Consult as external audit for the platform, CertiK, and solid proof for Team KYC. In addition to their audit and security, BlockchainFX has their own native token, which is currently on a pre-sale, BFX. You can right now buy BFX with your credit card and earn passive income and get an NFT from it. How does it work? So BFX gives you the opportunity for passive income by real utility of the BlockchainFX platform. Whenever users trade on BlockchainFX, 70% goes to the BFX community pool and 30% to the company's revenue. Out of the 70% of the pool, 20% goes for buybacks and is burned, and the 50% goes for staking, either USDT and BFX. And by just holding and staking the BFX token, you earn daily passive staking income. You can click the link down in the description and read everything about their white paper and how the passive income of BFX works. Now, in addition to the passive income that BFX offers, you have the opportunity to also get a Visa card from BFX. Now, based on the amount of money you invest in BFX, you can get it as a metal or 18K gold card, and you can top up the card with BFX or 20 plus other crypto. It gives you the ability of 100K per transaction and up to 10K monthly ATM withdrawals. You use BFX and USDT rewards for payments, and it's accepted worldwide online and also in stores. Now, this card is available only on the pre-sale phase of BFX, and you get a specific level based on the amount you invest in it. Now, you can learn everything about the BFX Visa card by just clicking the link down in the description. Now, the last and most cool thing is their trading platform. As a trader, you're interested to see on where and how you can invest in. You have the opportunity to choose which financial market you want to trade in, and also how to set up your chart, either line chart, candles, bar, Heiken-Ashi, and also the time frame you want. You can also do a technical analysis on their chart, and below you can see your open positions, the profit and loss, and set up the trade, stop loss or take profit. Let's say that I want to open one position on Bitcoin. I just click the buy position and it opens me the trade. And then I can also insert the take profit, for example, 122,000, and my take profit and my stop loss. And you can see, for example, if this hits take profit, it immediately tells me how much I'm going to make. If I set up my stop loss, it also gives me the potential loss of the trade. And it's so easy to use. And if you want to close a specific trade, you just click the X next to it and it immediately closes it. Now, if you're interested or buying BFX in pre-sale, by watching this video, you get the opportunity of a 30% buy more BFX coins. Just use the code YT30 when you buy your BFX, either with crypto or your credit card, and you will get additionally 30% more BFX coins of what you bought. And this is a limited time offer only. Just visit the BlockchainFX link down in the description and grab your tokens. Don't miss the top crypto presale of 2025. So thank you again for watching this video. If you found it helpful, make sure to give us a like. Make sure also to add any comments with questions that I may not have covered on this video, and subscribe to our channel so you can get other great content like this one that will help you in your cryptocurrencies journey. That's all for now. Thank you for being here.